हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं नया टॉपिक. दिस न्यू टॉपिक नेम इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर. So what is meant by that structure of atom or which points are included in this point? Means today we are going to discuss introductory part of this topic. So first point we are going to discuss, that is the introduction. So in that, firstly I will tell you which topics or which bits we are going to discuss. As we know that atom is this type of atom we are drawing. Okay, at the center of the atom there is a presence of a nucleus. Okay, in that nucleus proton and neutron is there. Around the nucleus electrons are revolving. Means in that atom consists of proton, neutron and electron. So in this topic we will discuss the discovery of the electron, proton and neutron. After that we will discuss the atomic model. In that there are the three atomic model we are going to discuss, that is the Bohr's atomic model, J.J. Thomson's atomic model, as well as Rutherford's atomic model. Means three atomic models we are going to discuss. After that we will discuss quantum mechanical model of the atom, that Planck's quantum theory as well as photoelectric effect, what is meant by that quantum number, different types of the quantum number, just like a principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. All these points we will discuss, as well as de Broglie relation. Next one is that Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So after that photoelectric effect, as we have discussed, important thing is that how to write the electronic configuration. Firstly you should know that which points you should know to write the electronic configuration and what is meant by that electronic configuration. Simply we can say, so in that we can say that atom, or in that atom, as we know that electrons are there, how these electrons are arranged, that arrangement, that nothing but the electronic configuration. So for that purpose we should know that above principle, Hund's rule, Pauli's exclusion principle, and after knowing these 3 points we can write the electronic configuration for each and every element. Before going towards that points, these points, we should know what is meant by atom, position of the atom, charge on the nucleus, charge on the atom, that all these points. Okay, so here we will discuss in that one. Now see, so these points we are going to cover in this topic. Now firstly we are going to start with the atom. जैसे कि हमने लास्ट टॉपिक में डिस्कस किया था डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी. Okay, in that Dalton's atomic theory we discussed some postulates as well as some limitations. In that limitations I told you that one limitation, that is, as we know that Dalton, he has given some postulate in that atom is a smallest indivisible particle. Smallest indivisible particle. Indivisible मतलब जिसको हम फिर से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते, कट नहीं कर सकते. But if we consider atom is subdivided into electron, proton as well as neutron. So these are the some atomic particles of the atom. Means in that we can say that this is the limitation of this Dalton's atomic theory, and based on the Dalton's atomic theory limitation we are going to discuss all this discovery of this 3 subatomic particles. Okay, so these are the 3 subatomic particles. Where is the position, what is meant by atom, that we will discuss right now. Now see here, first one, what is meant by that atom. Okay, everyone knows that atom is a smallest indivisible particle. Okay, smallest indivisible particle, which is called as a atom. Now what is the diagram for the atom? We can say that this is the atom. In that atom central part is a nucleus. Okay, this is the nucleus. In that nucleus proton and neutrons are there, and around the nucleus electrons are revolving. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे complete कर दिया हमने क्या क्या, proton, neutron, electron. So indicated by or denoted by these symbols. P for the proton, N for the neutron and E for the electron. Okay, this first point we have covered. Now see, what is the position of the proton, neutron and electron? Proton and neutron present in the nucleus. So for that one we can say that position of these two is in the nucleus, And what about this electron? Electron is revolving around the nucleus, means position of the electron is around the nucleus. Clear to everyone? So this is the basic point regarding this atom. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट हमें समझ में तो आ गया इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन कहाँ पे होते हैं और what is the symbol for them. Okay, now see, if we consider that charge present on the atom, so in this way once again I am drawing this diagram. Central part proton, neutron, and here it is electron. So after discovery it is introduced that electron carries negative charge, proton carries positive charge. This is based on this concept also. Now see, charge on the atom, that is atom is neutral. Okay, this is the first point. And charge on the nucleus, this is positive charge. Now how it is that charge present on the nucleus is positive? Because as we know that proton is positively charged, neutron has zero charge, means total charge on the nucleus will be positive. So in this way charge on the nucleus will be positive because proton is positively charged, neutron is chargeless. So totally charge present on the nucleus is positive. Clear to everyone? Now see next point, charge on the atom. जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखो न्यूक्लियस पे तो हो गया पॉजिटिव, इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट प्रोटॉन इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, electron is negatively charged, and as we know that number of proton is always equal to number of electron, and because of that how much positive charge is here, that much negative charge will be there, and that's why final answer will be 0, because nucleus means atom is nothing but the nucleus plus surrounding part. That's why positive plus negative with the same charge, that's why answer will be 0, means atom is electrically neutral. आप बोलोगे इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट है या बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ा रहे हो? कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ मुझे आपको बताना था. दिस टॉपिक इज बेस्ड ऑन द डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी लिमिटेशन. व्हाट इज दैट लिमिटेशन? लिमिटेशन इज दैट एटम हैज सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स, दैट इज प्रोटॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. सो इन दिस टॉपिक which points we are going to discuss, that already I have told to you people, and now I have given idea about the charge present on the nucleus, charge present on the atom, and what is the position of this proton, electron and neutron. So in this way we are going to stop here for the next lecture also, because introductory part hai to so smallest should be good. Thank you all of you.